GrantsNow empowers your pre-award process by allowing you to configure your application to meet your institution's needs. Ian is a research administrator at Fusion University. He's been told that the new pension rates need to be added to the pre-award system to ensure costing calculations are correct. He contacts the software provider and arranges for these changes to be made. GrantsNow would allow Ian to make any configuration changes himself using the built-in admin console. The admin console is split into relevant sections: proposal, costing, pricing, and other common configurations. In proposal configuration, Ian can do complex configuration of approval setup screens, ethical questionnaires, and proposal status history. In costing configuration, Ian can configure costing-related dependencies, such as institutional rates, FX rates, pension rates, and much more. Our user-friendly admin console makes the process quick and easy. Under pricing configuration, Ian can design and add templates for funder-related rules. These rules can be based on funder type or can be applied to a specified funder. Common configurations will cover all other basic configuration like lookup menus associated to pre-awards. So, for user-friendly and hassle-free configurations for your pre-awards, please arrange a demo of our GrantsNow cloud application today. Or for more information, please contact us.